Good morning, dears. Yesterday's class we have completed exercise 4a and 4b. Let us begin exercise 4c. Here we have to factorize the trinomials, and you can see the question is given. The first question is x square plus 4x plus 4. We can see this is in the term of a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Is it? We know it is an expansion of a plus b whole square. So the answer will be x plus 2 into x plus 2, or you can leave your answer up to x plus 2 whole square also, does not matter. Can see question number 3. It is x square minus 10x plus 25, or we can write it x square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. This is the expansion of a minus b whole square. So the answer is x minus 5 whole square. Is it? Look at question number 5. The question is 1 minus 8x plus 16x square. Is it? Or we can write 1 square minus 2 into 1 into 4x plus 4x whole square. Or it is in the term of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that gives you a minus b whole square. Is equal to 7x whole square plus 2 into 7x into square whole square, 7x square into 12y square plus 12y square whole square. Is it? Or it is in the term of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square. Question number 8, it says 25p square plus 5p by 2q plus 1 by 16q square. So what we are going to write? 5p whole square plus 2 into 5p into 1 by 4q plus 1 by 4q whole square. Is it, my dear? So 2 2s are 4, or we get 5p plus 1 by 4q whole square. It was exercise 4c, which is based on identity a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Next we have exercise 4d, which is based on the identity of a square minus b square. Exercise 4d, it is based on the identity based on a square minus b square. Is it? Now the first question you can see, it is given x square minus 4. May I write it x whole square minus 2 whole square? So x plus 2, x minus 2. Is it? Then you see number 5, it is given 9x square minus b square. So may I write it 3x whole square minus b whole square, or it is 3x plus b, 3x minus b. Is it, my dear? So this is based on the identity of a square minus b square. Next you can see question number 7. 81 a square x square minus 49 b square y square. So we can write it 9ax whole square minus 7by whole square. So it is in the term of a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. Is it? Look at question number 11. It is 2.25 a square minus b square. Now we know 15 square is 225. So 2.25, so it will be 1.5 so whole square minus b whole square, or 1.5 a plus b, 1.5 a minus b. So this will be the answer of question number 11. Is it? Now you can see question number 13. Is it? This is question number 11. In question number 13, they have given you in the term of